Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick a card and see what we need to hear. Happiness is not owning more things. Happiness is finding peace with all the things you don't have and don't long for anymore. Action. Reflect on a time when you really wanted something, and when you eventually got it, did it feel as good as you had expected? How did that experience change your perspective? All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's pick the little butterfly. Go do something on purpose that makes you happy. What are you waiting for? Home isn't where you were born. Home is where all your attempts to escape cease. You don't blame your feet if a shoe doesn't fit you. You just go find one that does. If you don't claim your power, someone else will. I just want to have a completely adventurous, passionate, and weird life. How about you? Make sure to live your life in a way that feels right for you. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.